A problem I found this bobbins. We are in Canada, so these are sold in Canada, unique, and the reseller, actually the distributor, is Kido, HA Kido. Look what's happening. So I did put the bobbin in there. So this is how the machine will work. We'll pull the thread like this and see what happens at some point. Bobbin gets stuck. I cannot. This is not good. It's not because it's not inserted properly here. It's perfect. I'll explain what's the issue. This bobbin is the same as this one from the package, right off the package. This is the manufacturing defect. So let me try. There you have it. See, so this is the edge right there. It's smooth, it's nice, and all of a sudden you see this small plastic bit here. This is from the molding. So this is like in the factory, there is a molding. They pour liquid, well, fluid plastic. It cools down, and the mold should not have this kind of defect here. Should not leave this kind of edge. This is where actually the thread gets with kind of gets blocked in there and doesn't advance, doesn't allow the bobbin to rotate. You see, is right here. This is kind of, this is not good. This should not be there. Obviously it can happen all around. I can feel there is another one in here, and what I'm going to do, I just get a sandpaper and just sand it just gently, so because you don't want to eat into the edge itself, so you just really want to smoothen the edge. And also need to use a sandpaper. I don't have the grit on this one, but it has to be fairly smooth, not rough. I would say grit 500 to 1000 or so. It's really unfortunate. I'll have to check all bobbins basically in the case. There you have it, it's very clear. This one too, if I'll pull it from there, you'll see. But oh, this one, it's much worse. Look at the edge here. This is terrible. This is no bueno, no bueno at all, at all, at all, at all. Maybe it may even, look, this should never exist like this. It may even break the thread at some point. Just be aware of this. I'm guessing it's going to malfunction. Not sure how it's going to work because I didn't even spin the machine this. And the good part is these are for Singer, and I like that they have the board, the hole is proper for the winding mechanism. It's the right size. Most of them don't have it the right size. Anyhow, all this to say that just be aware of this. It's not difficult to fix. You need to fix it by yourself. I don't. If you go back to the store to get them refunded, my wild guess, it's all of them are going to be like this. It's just the mold has an issue, whatever in the factory. So it's a it's more than a whole batch, in my opinion. Is going to be until they realize, the manufacturer realizes there is a problem, then they are going to fix it. Maybe I'm going even to link a video, send them an email to correct the manufacturing of this product. And it could be this bobbin type 66 with round surface faces, but the class 15 may have the same issue. Just check it if you have class 16 instead of 66.